Alright, so I got most of the branches off now. So we got one big, huge, long log sitting in our yard. There it is. And you can see where it broke off from. So there you go, right there. It's going to take me a good time to get all this cleaned up. I got Corey coming over to help me out, but like I said, if anybody needs any firewood, I don't think I can burn it all. I'll talk to y'all later.